Good morning. Oh, good morning, KRK. Or should I say, Yoreget. Yoreget. Good morning, good morning. If anyone sees this stream in the future, good morning, good evening, good day, good night, whatever. Okay. So, lots of things happened since yesterday. Santa Claus, first of all. And let's check out what's happening now. Proud to say that I passed another challenge yesterday at Top Step or Combine or whatever. I had to start a new Combine here at Tradeovate. So as you can see, it's 151,000 right now. I scalped a little bit this morning, actually right here, just $90. But yesterday I passed this Combine. I had to put a little bit extra there, but 159,800. Yesterday made some extra profits during the New York session. I just wanted to get on with it, so started a new Combine on Tradeovate. I figured out a way that I can trade much easier using TradingView for charting. And as you can see, I have my Tradeovate account right here. So when I put on a trade, I'm just pushing the button right here. So I don't need to, I don't need to struggle with TradingView, because honestly, guys, I think TradingView for trading execution is just almost the worst in like anything I have ever seen. It's the best charting platform on the whole world, but for trade execution, I think it's just the worst that I ever seen. So I'm using TS Trader for the new Tradeovate account, and it's much faster, instant execution, much more easier to handle, and I do like it. And so it's like silk, really, compared to TradingView's. Where is this? Compared to this, it's like wiping your ass with silk, as they said in the Matrix movie. So anyway. What's happening? Let's see what is happening. Yesterday was bad. Not gonna lie, guys. Yesterday was extremely bad. I'm gonna show you a screenshot from yesterday. Actually, two screenshots. First screenshot is gonna be right here. As you can see, the timing on this is at 9:35 here, as you can see down. So this is the tick chart. I was waiting for a short opportunity. The top of the price, the top of the channel tapped into a high, so I went short on this fair value gap, as you can see. But I didn't record it, but then price took me out with the negative 16 points on the New York session. So I said, all right, I'm gonna give a second chance. And the second trade, this was on the 30-second chart. As you can see, it was around 10:11 New York time. Another top here, a new high, and broke lower, broke structure. Classic ICT entry. I entered here and then almost started to go right, but then it just took me out again, negative 22 points. So overall, I netted 38 points in the minus yesterday. So honestly, guys, yesterday my live account profits from last week has been given back. So basically I'm back to zero on my funded account after profit taking. So I gave back my profits Monday and Tuesday. So both yesterday and Monday were a negative day for me. But the good news is that I passed this challenge account yesterday, New York PM session. And this is a Tradeovate account. It's not a Ninja Trader. So I started a new account right here. As you can see, it's now at 151, but it's a brand new account. And that's it. What else can I say? Anyway, moving on. Guys, don't forget the like button. And so yesterday, New York session was bad. In one word. That's it. That's what I can tell. So right now we are hovering in between two significant levels. I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking. right here. Hold on. One is here, a 15-minute fair value gap, and the other one, I think you guys can see it already, is a significant high at 16,000, and another high right here. We have a new day opening gap, or was it new week? Yeah, it was a new week opening gap right there. New week opening gap. I'm gonna put it right there. There you go. So new week opening gap. I'm pretty much bullish still. I was hoping that maybe we can come down into this 5/15-minute fair value gap down here. I'm just gonna put it right here. 5/15-minute FVG. Put it to the center. So it didn't happen, which I don't really like, but you know, it is how it is. Or it is what it is. And so far, London Open is happening in 30 seconds. So we'll see if it wants to go back right here or just want to take a new high. For now, it seems like it just wants to take out yesterday's high and maybe continue upwards. So I don't know. We just have to see. We just have to see. All right. Market opened. So London is open. Let's see what is happening. Just a quick glimpse on pound, just to see what's going on. I might be looking into pound as well in the London session, in case, you know, the futures are down. So pound is nothing serious. Let's go down to the 5-minute NQ. This is 5-minute NQ again. So far, you have to be patient. It seems like it wants to take out those highs. There is a high. I'm gonna put a I want to put a buy side liquidity marker right here. Buy side liquidity as a high. You want to buy this move, but I don't think I'm getting any. Well, I would like to buy this move too. And honestly, yeah, I don't know what to think. And don't forget that this oh, Köszönöm. KRK is congratulating me on the new combine. Thank you. Köszönöm szépen. Yeah. How's your trading combine? Did you start a new trading combine, KRK? Te is indítottál egy 50k-sat, ha jól tudom. All right. I think KRK started the combine. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe NRT started the trading combine. I'm sorry. My memory is just very bad this morning. So anyway, yeah, this combine was successful, and I started this new one. It has suffered a reset. So as you can see, it's a combine reset. I did have to reset it once, but the good thing is that I have to stack up these combines, you know. Look at that. Oh, look at that. KRK is up 500 on his combine account. Very, very nice. Congratulations there. Look at this move, by the way. 86. It seems like we want to go for the 16,000. I wish I could buy this, but no entry on my model right now. I don't have an entry here. Have to be patient, guys. Let's look into pound until we wait for London session 2-3 trade. Very nice. Now that is perfect, KRK. Gratulálok hozzá. Szép munka. 2-3 trade Londonba, az tökéletes. Így kell. Good fellow Hungarian trader. Moving up. $500 on the 50k account. Trading London session. Very nice. That's cool. Anyway, the bad news for me is that I'm in a losing streak since 2 days, and I gave back my profits from the funded account. So unfortunately, it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I wish I could have had one more payout before Christmas, but I think it's just gonna be. It might have to be stalled. Anyway, look at pound. Pound maybe moving up. I'm not a master. Don't call me master. I'm not a master. ICT is a master. Oh, look at that. Okay, so if we want to jump into this, you know what I'm gonna do? I might just do a quick buy here. I entered the quick buy, only one contract, nothing fancy, and actually I was a little bit late, but not that serious. I want to take out. I want to take out yesterday. Yesterday high at least. How much is that? 79. Yeah, that would be a 10 point. That would be a 10 point. Oh darn it! I hope it's not gonna go down that much, because it's going down. It could be a Judas swing. Did it take out those highs? No, it didn't. So my TP would be at 89. I'm gonna put a TP at should it be? Yeah, let's put it 89. 89. Oh my god, already in the negative territory, guys. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Damn it. It was a quick scalp trade. At least that's what it would meant to be, for 10 points to take out that high. It might be a Judas swing. The reason is that it didn't take out this high nor this high. It still wants to drop. Damn it. I'm telling you, if it's dropping more, I have to put a stop loss somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, my stop is going to be hit. Unfortunate. And I'm out. Could be a Judas swing. I'm out. Yeah. Oh man. How is the account? Oh, the account is still up. Alright. We're still alright. But damn it. What the hell happened? It didn't took out this high. Nor this high. What the hell happened? I don't know why it did that. Let's check the 5-minute. Okay, I'm re-entering. I don't care. I'm re-entering. If you ask me why, I'm gonna explain to you. Damn it. This is why. This is why I've re-entered. 5-minute fair value gap. And that's it, basically. Looking for taking out that high at 89. So I'm putting a buy stop, sell limit at almost 89. How stupid was I entering this trade? I mean, I wasn't that stupid. I knew what I wanted to reach, so I knew my targets. But still, this move was a little bit crazy from NQ. And my stop is going to be at my entry is, where's my entry? Let me check. My entry is at 71. So my stop is going to be 10 points, and that's it. There's my stop. How fast and how easier it is to put the trade on with TS Trader. Much faster. Go in here and blah blah. Go here. Limit. Stop. I hate trading views. Anyway. So as you can see with TS Trader, it's much easier. There you go. If you want to go with your combine with TradingView, I suggest to you that use TS Trader, the desktop version, to put on your trades. I think it's much better. Anyway, 61. Yeah, risk reward should be good. Entry based on the 5-minute fair value gap, but I missed my entry. Still don't care. It's a combine account. And we're going with one contract, guys. One contract here and there. Nothing fancy. Just one contract. And let's check out pound. Pound repriced the 5-minute candle. The 5-minute actually took out the Asian lows. Question is, what do we have on pound? On the daily, pound is pretty much consolidating. We still have a significant high up there. On the 4-hour, repriced it. That's great. Below that we have a fair value gap. It's not too far. Still above 26. That's good. Dollar index, I think, is gonna get stronger. So as dollar index is getting stronger, most likely pound is gonna dip lower here. Yeah, after London Open it started to go lower. It might take it out. It just might. Anyway, and I didn't even check for gold. I haven't checked anything on gold yet. Gold is spiking higher. I think it wants to take out yesterday high as well. It might. It might just want to take out yesterday high too. But could be a Judah swing. It took out this high. This was a New York morning high. It can be just a Judah swing, or as we may say, a fake out. This is a bearish order block right here. So we could be reacting to that. On the 15-minute, we are right inside of a bearish order block. And, you know, as we are inside of that order block, I don't really like that. We had an entry here, by the way, to go short on the 1-minute right after London Open inside the 15-minute bearish order block, so that could have been a high probability entry. Instead I chose to be with an NQ. There you go. Come on, NQ. Come on. I'm so nervous. I don't even know what to do, man. So 89. I put it to 89. I don't care. Previous day high is right above there. I'm gonna go with 89, and I'm gonna hold this one. The only thing I'm yeah, it's shooting up. The only thing I want to do here is maybe, but that's a maybe, I'm gonna put my stop to somewhere here below this swing. You know, because if it trades below this low after this move, if it goes below that, then you know it's over. So why would I hold my stop loss down here? If we trade below this swing, then it's definitely going lower. So how good was moving the stop loss? I mean, it's not like this, like confirmation, blah blah blah. No, it's much better using TS Trader. So TradingView has to do something about this because it's very bad. All right, so I'm looking for the 99 level. at least to bring back some of the losses. The risk has been lowered, but still not at break even. It can anytime, it can just, you know, come back down here, you know, massage this level and then shoot back up. So that's why I'm not putting it to break even. So, but the risk reward is now is good. It's all right. If we lose this trade, then NQ is on dirty mission today, because as you can see, it's lower highs. So this is a lower high right now. Look at that dirty thing. Look at that. Lower high again. If it can't break it, then we have to think about this 5/15 minute fair value gap, you know. We have to think about that. What to do with that, you know. Let's look at gold. Gold is a good opportunity to go long as well, in my opinion. I'm just looking at the 5 minute. 5 minute. Nice bullish fair value gap there. We can use this as a breakaway gap. Nice structure break. If the target is to break yesterday's high, lower high, you know, maybe a little bit risky, but I don't know. The thing is that we are inside of a bearish order block, which took out this Monday Asia high, so could be quite significant. I don't know. All right, what the hell is happening here? NQ, look at NQ, how dirty it is. Look at that, it's gonna turn. Look at NQ, it's going to turn. Aaron Music, hey there. Oh my god, so many good people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? Just a quick update, any one of you guys. Yesterday my New York session was a complete loss again. So 2 losing sessions in a row in New York. I gave back my profits from last week, so I'm basically back to square one with the funded accounts. But yesterday I passed another challenge right here. So I passed the trading combine 150k. It's interesting because, you know, with the trading combines, for me it's always something it's easier. I mean it's emotional, as you can see. Oh, you had to answer a call. You can still enter if you want to. With a good risk reward, you can put your stop loss here, take profit somewhere up there. But look at this, it did not manage to make a new high. So high here, lower high, lower high, lower high, almost like the 3 drive pattern. And it seems like it tried 3 times, and I'm not sure it's gonna make it one more time. Maybe it will. So you can still enter on this 1 minute fair value gap, putting your stop where mine as well, and aiming for maybe 16,000. Take a partial at 89, and you know, it could be good for a small trade. But you know, do what you want. It's not a financial advice. I'm a moron. Don't listen to me. And this is what I do here. It's just interesting, you know. It's not able to make those highs. What is ES doing? ES 5 minute. Let's check it. ES is stuck. Basically, ES is completely stuck in this range. Yeah. So ES is I don't know. It's in discount, which is good for our NQ trade. But all right, Aaron. All right. You know, I just like to express myself. I know I'm repeating myself all the time and saying stuff, but you know, and I know I'm but I have to say it out that this is not a financial advice. I have to, because I heard rumors that sometimes YouTube likes to disable accounts, especially in this trading community. If someone, you know, says something like, all right guys, buy now, buy it, sell it, buy this now, sell this now, do that, and you know, YouTube says that, okay, this is financial advice, you're not a licensed financial advisor, this is blah blah blah, and then they deactivated the account. So or they got a strike or something. So this is not financial advice. I should always put it to the screen, I think. Or someone said to me I should put a sign to the screen somewhere that this is only entertainment and education and not financial advice, because YouTube started to deactivate some trading YouTubers if they would say something like buy now, sell now. That's against the rules, I think. That's financial advice. So don't do anything. I'm an idiot, I'm a moron. I don't know shit about anything in this. I'm just a lucky guy, I guess, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm here to entertain you, and I'm not a Lambo guru. Do what you want. Just, you know, send me some money. The links are below, so thank you. I really need that. Christmas is coming, so I'm not taking a payout until Christmas, that's for sure. I just gave back my profits, so I don't have any other income. Thank you. Thank you. That was the fun part. All right. Let's see if it breaks that high. Yeah, hard stuff from YouTube, but maybe good in general to disable. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I mean, if someone is yelling live stream that buy now, buy this, buy that, you know, jump in now, do this. I mean, I agree that that's kind of like financial advice. And you know, I have my disclaimer in the description on the video or the stream every time, but they say sometimes it's not enough. You have to be very strict and just put it out there. And so I might make a new sign somewhere on the top or the bottom, like education, not financial advice, entertainment only, or something. I don't know. Or maybe I should put a slide in here and then. Maybe that will be enough for YouTube. Dominic is here. Oh man, hey there. Thank you for being here, and please don't forget, guys, to drop the like. Dominic, how are you doing, my man? It's so good to see you guys. I'm doing well, man. I'm doing well, and thank you very much for the support of being here. And yesterday I passed another Combine account, but unfortunately, and this is something I have to understand in my head, I'm in a 2-day losing streak on my live and funded accounts. I gave back all my profits on Monday and Tuesday, so both yesterday New York session and Monday New York session. Yesterday I was down almost 40 points on NASDAQ, and Monday I was down 32 points on NASDAQ. And so last week profits, I gave it back. And guys, this is something strange, because I'm good in Combine accounts. I can fairly say that I passed a few combines. I have like 4 or 5 stacked up already, and I have no emotional attachment, nothing with the Combine account. I feel absolutely like if I would lose this trade now, I couldn't give a damn about it. But with the live and the funded accounts, especially sometimes nowadays in the funded accounts, I feel like maybe it's because I pretty much coded to my brain that it's real money. I guess you should treat that as real money, but I tried to mess up my own thinking process. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to really change my entry model because I know I have an edge. But for example, yesterday, I realized, because I always go to... yeah, exactly, right? So yesterday, I knew what I should have been doing. Actually, these were my trades in New York session. These are screenshots because I share it in my Discord. I entered short. This is a 500 tick chart. I know you can't see anything, but this is the main thing. Yesterday, as you can see the time here, it was right after market open, 9:38 or 9:40, 9:40, 9:30, 9:38. Right after market open, went up, put a new high, and broke structure. Yeah, I entered, boom, and went back up to me. I lost 15 points. My second trade was on the 30-second chart. Absolutely a new high has happened here. Broke lower, entered here, and boom, took me out 22 points. And I said, and as you can see the time here, it was only 10:11 or 10:12. So I was as you can see, I was waiting after market open like 5, 8, 10 minutes. I thought that this is going to be a Judas swing, but it happened to be, I don't know what it's called, but it just kept pushing higher. And I asked myself, what am I doing wrong? What's the problem? Should I be waiting for 10 a.m.? I think, I don't know. Yeah, that's it, man. I passed one yesterday. Here it is. I passed it, completed December 5. Of course, I had to reset this one once. I give you that, but I passed it yesterday. I made it. How many days? 6 days. I passed it without a sweat. Without a sweat. I was taking it so easy. And this is actually a trade-await account, which I was trading here on TradingView, which I hate to trade. So I started a new one. So this new account is at, I don't even know, it's at $150 and $700-ish right now. And so I started a new account at Tradeawait. But I'm going to use the TS Trader, as you can see right here, because executing with this platform is just much more better than using the this one. This is like the worst thing I ever seen in my life. I mean, it's very bad. Anyway, I don't know what the hell is going on with me. I never open a trade before 10 a.m. New York time. Very unpredictable. Yeah, it is. But it is. I absolutely agree. But the thing is that the volume and the movement between 9:30 and 10 a.m. is absolutely... I mean, I love it, and that's my personal problem, you know, because as I told you guys many times, I like the speed, I like the momentum, not the violence, because that's Dr. Disrespect, of course. I like the speed and the momentum. When the Nasdaq opens up, I just love to see how price moves around, and I feel the dopamine, you know, I feel the adrenaline that, okay, if I spot out my model, if I spot out the I want to spot out where is the drawn liquidity. That's what I'm thinking right after market open, right after, I think everyone does. So right after 9:30, at the very first second, I'm watching price on the 30-second. I'm watching the thick chart, and I'm trying to figure out, okay, where does this want to go? Is it want to go higher? Is it want to go lower? So yesterday I figured out it was just, you know, hovering in one place, and then it went up. Okay, I said this is the time. Judo swing, go short, and it went higher. So maybe I should wait more. It was not ICT or the entry model's fault. It was absolutely my fault, or I don't know, maybe nobody's fault. I don't know. Dopamine, yeah. You are the version of yourself who is very soon gonna be sick. Thank you very much. Violence. Oh yeah, dopamine. I hope that counts for me as well, Dominic. Yeah. Yes, where is the drawdown on liquidity? So I try to figure out right after the first 5 seconds, as you see price moving on both of these charts, like all right. I'm watching these charts. I'm watching the left chart is the 500 tick chart, and the right chart is the 30-second chart. So I'm watching it closely. What the hell is it doing? Where does it want to go? And but I'm not just jumping in like I'm not jumping in like crazy. All right, I'm gonna push full margin and jump it. No, I'm trying to wait for an entry model, which I did yesterday as well. I followed my entry model. I saw the entry first on the 500 tick chart, and I entered, and it took me out. I said, all right, we still have some room. I waited after 10 a.m. and I got an entry on the 30-second chart. I entered, took me out, and I got near to 40 points and gave back more profits from last week. And I said, all right, pretty much I got back to break even for the week. I mean, for the month. So that's why I'm saying I might have to wait for a little bit more to take out some profits from trading. I this week didn't start too well, but then what happened? And guess this. I went on to the trading combine. I changed the account from funded, and I went to the trading combine, and it all got to be so easy. It all got to be so clear. I just sat back and waited. Actually, I didn't even. I skipped the morning session. I said, "Who cares? Morning session took my money away, so I'm just gonna wait." And then I waited for the PM session, I think, or lunchtime. I don't even know. I sat back to the computer, and all right, let's do some trades. And I passed the combine. I needed $2,000 on the trade await account to pass it. It was 157 something thousand, and I passed it so easily I couldn't even believe it. I don't know. It was interesting. And yeah, I was doing some backtesting yesterday, trading sweeps on the direction of the M15 momentum during the silver bullet hour. Works really well. Yeah, it is. It definitely is. I think you should consider sticking with that, because it is really something you should consider to stay with. And I'm considering to move this trade to maybe break even. I don't know. Let's check pound, shall we? Oh, look at this. Look at how gold is reacting to this order block right there. Gold is dropping, and so does NQ. The thing is, what's the high of this? It's equal high, right? So the high of this is 87.75, 87.75, 88 with one tick. It took out the high with one tick. So guys, it's very bad. It changes the algorithm. It took the high out with one tick. This candle took the high out with only one tick. So that changes everything, but we'll still have this high here at where is it? 89.75. Oh, there you go. It was a nice trade. I'm gonna leave my stop here. I don't mind the small loss, but if it trades below here, we're definitely going for the 15-minute/5 minute fair value gap, or BC. You might say that. We are technically in an internal range of liquidity right now. That's what I would say. I'm considering just focusing on it. Yeah. There you have the mindset for success. Once it's about real money, it's gone. Yeah, that's the problem. Yesterday, there was a great entry around. Yes, I noticed that on the 5 minute, it gave some good entry. So, yeah. Inverse correlation to NQ and ES. Yes. Clearly see how you are learning so hard. I'm trying to. I really am. I really do. Guys, I do. I try my best. I try my best. It's hard. It's hard. So, NQ, look at that. Look at these highs. It just doesn't want it. I don't know. So I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to do my best. I'm trying to be the best version of myself. Anyway, I stick to my rules yesterday. And that's the main thing you have to learn, you know. I lost a little bit over than my usual limit. I usually get out around 35 to 40 points on NQ when I have that loss, which is usually around 2 trades or 3 if I have a tight stop. So I said, all right, it's over for the day. And that was really hard. That was extremely hard, guys, to stop there. That was also hard. But then I went to the combine. And you know, if you can stop on those days, then you can come back again and use your entry model on a better entry. Not like this one. Oh man, this is gonna take us out. And look at gold reacted perfectly. This is an order block, this line up here. This is the 15-minute order block. And this one is gonna just take us out. I'm constantly learning. I'm rewinding all the videos from ICT's channel over and over. Just saying, the models are great, but the psychology part you have to master it. Yes. I completely agree. You don't have to. I mean, I will because I like to. You can go all over the content again, but the hardest part is not mastering or not, you know, acquiring the model. Like, you know, I know the model, I know the entry drill, I know the PD arrays, I know the fair value gaps, I know BC, I know new day opening. I'm starting to know more and more the order blocks, the breakers. So all that's fine. The psychology is the hardest part to control, you know, yourself. And this one is going to be a stop loss again. No, you get it exactly right. Thank you, Dominic. I really appreciate it. I really do. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I mean, you guys being here with me is really, honestly, guys, after yesterday's losses, thinking about coming back here on YouTube and stream keeps an extra spirit inside me. I'm never giving up, not because of YouTube. I'm never gonna give up trading, never. And but you know, thinking that coming here and, you know, sharing my thoughts with you guys, and you guys can share your thoughts. Your stop loss is my entry. Nice. So sharing my thoughts with you guys gives me an extra courage and spirit to continue. I mean, of course I continue, but you know, to be disciplined and learn more and more. And so yesterday I started this account and I made a few $100s. As you can see, it's 150 plus 700 something. If I lose this trade, I don't really care much about that, but you know, go Tom, go. We are Sparta. Definitely we are. Definitely we are. And I really appreciate all the support, guys. So if some of you guys are rich, I hope you are, there's a donation link down there. I have to pay out rent and buy some Christmas presents. Thank you. So that's it. Yeah, it's a stop loss. There you have it. Okay. So it did not manage to take it out, which is interesting. If I go to the 5-minute, what do we have? No structure shift. It is making a structure shift now. Rich on heart. Don't worry, guys. You know I like everyone here, so I do have to make, you know, I have to make my commercials, you know. You know, who knows? Maybe sometimes some rich guy from somewhere just watching my stream and it says maybe Mr. Beast is gonna drop by and says, "Oh, let's drop 10K to this guy. He's nice." You know, I have to take my chances. You know, anytime I see more than one people watching. Yeah. Definitely. All right. So far, I think we might be looking for this 15 slash 5-minute fair value gap. So we'll see. Looking for maybe a retracement. The 5-minute is closing in less than 1 minute 20 seconds. If it closes right here, that would be maybe good for a structure shift and maybe to go for this liquidity. You know. But we have to wait 1 more minute. 1 more minute. You're even more broke. Hey guys. As Arrow Music said, we are all rich from the heart. That's all that matters. And I, guys, I wish God bless us all. And God bless you all. You know, if you have God in your heart, you're rich. You don't need anything else. I'm sorry, I'm a true believer. So I do the 50K accounts on Apex. When they had... Oh, okay. Very good. So, as I understand, you are in a challenge account on Apex right now, or you were and you're not right now. Okay, there's gonna be a okay, it's gonna go for the that's 62, 52. That's 10 points away. Aman 2 funded. Congratulations. Congratulations there. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. 59 is going to take out that low. I'm checking. I want to check the 500 tick chart. That's at 62. All right. I have entered with one contract. My entry is based on the 500 tick chart, and not because that's perfect, but I just didn't want it to miss a move, especially for 10 points, because that would be exactly 10 points. A quick scalp right there. But if we go to, I can show you guys the 500 tick chart entry. Not a huge big deal, as you can see. Just using a fair value gap right here. So that's my entry, and my target is down there. So I entered based on the tick chart. I was just looking for a place where price would retrace back to. On the 1 minute we have 66, the 66 level, almost actually. Which level is that? That's 66, right? Hold on. Yeah, that's it. So that could be another entry, which I missed, by the way, because I missed this entry. So the 66. So yeah, I missed it by 4 points, actually. Proud of me. All right. All right. Oh, you're proud of Dominic, of course. The consistency, and you did not crash. Don't worry. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, Dominic. Congratulations there. Let me put a take profit at 52.50. 52. That should be fine. So that's how simple it is to put a take profit if you're using TS Trader. Let's check if we have further targets down there. I'm gonna put a stop loss, don't worry. 15-minute FVG. That's even lower. It can go down to 42. What do we have? 42. It can go down there, right? Anyway, I'm just looking for 10 points. I'm just looking for my 10 points there. So let's zoom it out again. And 62. So I'm gonna put it to around 72.50. There's my buy stop. How much faster is that? It's great. It's much better. So we're going down for the 15/5-minute fair value gap. That's the target right now. It's only a 1-to-1 trade. But as I used to say, as long as I see a 1-to-1 risk-reward trade, I take it. If I see something like that, at least. Let's check pound. Come on, I can't read this right now. We know we have small losses, bug. Losses, small wins. Big losses, small wins, big wins. And 15 is doing nothing. Which as also as a win. Just eliminate single of those big lows. See how that counts as a win now too. Yeah, it actually counts as a win. I agree. Completely agree. I completely agree. This psychology helped you. Very good. Doing nothing is also a win. Doing nothing is also a win, as ICT said so. Sitting on your hands is taking a position. Is equal as taking a position. I'm just saying, guys, please push the like button, thank you, and subscribe to the channel. All right. So sitting on your hands is definitely a position. ICT said so many times. One of the best positions, actually. Look at that. One of the best positions is sitting on your hands because it's 100% guaranteed not to lose. I mean, you can't tell me any other position which is guaranteed. Sitting on your hands is 100% guarantee on capital. You have 100% guarantee of not losing. And that's a great position to be in. Let's look at pound again. Oh, look at how beautifully gold reacted to the 15-minute order block. Wow. It amazes me. Gold is dropping. Interesting. There might be some buyers on gold from this level. They might be squeezed out again to these lower levels. Gold might be squeezing the longs again, pushing them down. Maybe going to revisit the 2000. Who knows? You know, maybe there's still a lot of positions, long positions are still in this area, trying to squeeze them a little bit more. Oh no! Look at this. Actually, this is a bearish order block right now. Just saying, on the 1 minute. This is a bearish order block. Starts from here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right here. So that's a bearish order block starting from the wick, or some may start it from this candle. Up close candle, pushing higher, and then a down close candle changing structure lower. This is a bearish order block. Some might say, or maybe ICT would say, that you can add one more if you want to pyramid. You can add one more or enter here. You can enter here as well. I'm just gonna put a text here. So bearish order block right there. We'll see how it reacts. You're not even behind the chart. I enjoyed the time with you guys. By the way, I did sit on my hands since Tom was... yeah. Great. Alright, guys. You know, my suffering actually makes, you know, someone's life better, which actually a goal from me, for me. So, me suffering here for you guys, it's actually good. I'm taking the loss for you guys. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking the losses for you guys. That's what I'm doing. You're short with me. All right. Great. Great. You're gonna lose. So, bearish order block. Maybe an inversion 5-minute fair value gap right now. Also a 5-minute fair value gap here. What else do we want, guys? If this is not working, then I'm not gonna use ICT concepts ever again. Look at that. 5-minute bearish fair value gap. I'm gonna change the color of this. Come on. Come on. Look at that. I'm gonna change it to some crazy color. Yellow. There you go. 5-minute fair value gap. Bearish order block on the 1-minute. Inversion 5-minute fair value gap. What the hell do you guys want more? All the signs are pointing that we're gonna go down to that 5/15 minute FVG. Come on, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Say that I'm wrong. You're gonna be banned. No, you're not. You're not. I'm kidding. Don't leave me. All right? Don't. I'm gonna be lonely. I was just kidding. Don't. Just, you know, stay. But I'm right. I'm correct. 3-minute chart. Never tried it. Oh, I don't want to look at the 3-minute chart. Looks bad. Thank you. No. I'm just kidding. Of course. Thank you so much for the support, Dominic and Aaron. Thank you. It makes me happy to hear the ghost in the machine. I'm happy to hear it too. I wish I could know his phone number. I could call him then and ask him that what the hell is going on, man? Michael, come on. Here's the fair value gap. We have everything. Order block, whatever, you name it. Still, we're hovering in drawdown. What the hell is going on, Michael? What's going on? Guys, this is terrible. This is just terrible. 5-minute is what retail sees. I'm in long and hit my TP right now. Cool, man. Where did you enter? You're in long? Where the heck did you enter? Where the heck did you enter? Where did KRK enter? What the hell? Sometimes I feel like throwing this ICT stuff out the window and trading moving averages. Yeah, I mean, I tried that too. Honestly, I tried moving averages. I still have a MetaTrader custom chart which sometimes I go nostalgic and try to optimize. Really, I do. And I don't know. I have that. I have those charts, that template. Sorry, that was the word that I was looking for. I have that template on MetaTrader 4. I was customizing a setup method based on moving averages. I left it. Scalp strategy. Well, I forgot to modify. You can't send your screen here because there's a bot which is moderating the links. So I'm gonna do that. I think you said it before. You're using the stuff that Cami Capital uses, right? I looked into that. It's interesting. I think he enters on the 30-second or 1 minute. He's looking for. Yeah, I think he's doing the same. If I go down to the 30-second, broke lower, made a new high, retrace back, put the fib tool here. That's what he does. And he enters somewhere around the midpoint or something like that and goes long, which is a good strategy. $5.12 EMA, confirm market structure shift. It works sometimes. Good. Good. What can I say, guys? The only thing I can say, I am waiting for this one to drop. There is an interesting strategy I'm looking into in the combination with ICT concepts, and you guys may think that it's a little bit crazy. It's ICT concepts, but there was a guy on Top Step TV, not now, it was weeks ago. He was on a report interview like 3 weeks ago or something, I don't know. And he was one of their good traders who was making very good trades, but he was making on average 80 to 100 trades in a session, not the whole day. So during the New York session, he was making 80/100 trades, and he was using the tick chart. And on the left side, there's a 22 tick charts, 22. So as you can see, not 1,000, not 500, not 100, not 200, 22 tick chart, and the guy is making like 80 to 100 trades, and he enters, like, of course, market order, and he's aiming for 5-10 points on NQ, and he is making on average I don't know, on average $2,000-$4,000 a day with one contract. Sometimes two, but most likely one contract, by using only the 22 tick chart. And of course he's checking the 5/15 minute charts for structure shifts and everything. But that's what he does, using the 22 tick chart, and that's why I put it here as well into my configuration here on NinjaTrader. I'm practicing it on a practice account, and of course it's very fast, especially in New York session. But he's not going for home runs for 50 points or 30. He goes for 5 points here, 10 points there, blah blah blah, and he has a winning rate of 80% or something, 75-80%, I don't know, something like that. And it's an interesting strategy. I'm looking into that with ICT concepts. It could be interesting. That's all. That's a lot, I know. 80/1, but if you think about it, it's not really that lot. If you're a scalper, because he's definitely a scalper, you're entering at his average holding time for a trade is 30 seconds or 1 minute in the New York session. maybe something like that. I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes. I don't know, 1 minute, 2 minutes maximum. And he's taking many trades, many trades. His finger is always on the button. His eyes are constantly on the chart, on the 22 tick chart. And but he's making money. He's making money with that. I don't know. His entry model is also based on ICT. That's what I figured out, because he's also looking for market structure shift, just like here. But he does it on the... So basically ICT model on the 2022 tick chart. Sorry, ICT 2022 model on the 22 tick chart. I don't know why 22. I was just curious. That's why I'm testing it as well. But he's looking for market structure shift. He's looking for displacement in the ticks and printing in candles. And he enters. Maybe he also said his entries are not that precise. His entries are off by 2 or 3 points sometimes, but he enters and, you know, he goes for it. Interesting method, interesting. Zero to Hero, good morning, good morning. And by the way, good morning to everyone else. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Uploading the new content I was promising for almost 2 weeks now. It's gonna be called Walks and Talks. It's gonna be more of a personal journey, trading psychology versus personal things. You know, everything is gonna be a combination of personal life and trading, how the two things are affecting each other from my personal experience. So it's gonna be a little bit of a vlog, not 100% trading. It's gonna be a psychological aspect from my side of what I experienced during good times and during bad times. What problems or excitements do I face during the markets? So yeah, ICT would never trade on the tick chart. He would never. That's, I mean, it's super hard. Just look at it. Left one. I'm gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna stretch it out. Look at that. This is the 22 tick chart. What can you do on this, honestly? But for example, look at that. This was, let me put a vertical line here. Vertical line for the start of the kill zone. I'm gonna put it to 2 a.m. So that's the start of the kill zone. It went down. We're gonna use the ruler. Structure shift here. Entered here. Lost 6 points. All right. Structure shift here. Entered here. You go for a double. Made 13 points. Broke higher. Structure shift up there. Entered maybe here. Go for a double. That's a plus. That's not negative. Plus 8 points. That's around 8 points. Okay. This is not a structure shift. I don't consider that. Okay, this is a stronger one. This high has been taken out here. I would consider that as a structure shift. So you go here. It's a structure shift here. Or maybe you can consider it here and you enter here. Stop loss is up there. Maybe you want to take this out. Another 12 points. So you can do it maybe. I don't know. I'm not an expert. But quite interesting. I'm going to be looking into that stuff. But just for excitement, you know. On a practice account or demo account or whatever you want to call it. Okay, we hit the 10 a.m. bell. And this 5-minute chart doesn't really want to help us right now. Currently in 3% drawdown on prop challenge account. Really need to modify my strategy. Been struggling to find actual drawn liquidity. It may not be the strategy, just saying, Zero to Hero. It may not be. I was just talking about this, that, for example, yesterday and Monday, 2 days in a row, that rarely happens to me, by the way. I'm losing. I'm on a losing streak. I didn't win. I think I lost 5 trades in a row in New York session. On my live account, sorry. On the funded accounts and my live account too. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm gonna stick to it on the same pattern that I used to do. And what can I say? Maybe on the challenge account I was suffering, but on my combine account, which I can show you, I passed one if someone didn't hear me talking about it like 10 times already today, because I passed another combine account in 6 days. As you can see, no down days here, and I just passed it yesterday. And I don't know why it's so different. The problem may not be the strategy. The problem may be in your head, in your mindset. So you have to figure out, you have to write down your emotions. That's what I do. I write down in my computer. I have a note as well on paper. I write down my emotions. I rewind the chart after the session, and I look for my mistakes. What did I do wrong? What should I've done better? What was the cause of the problem? If you write those down, your brain is going to remember it. Trust me on this. I can tell you this from the bottom of my heart. If you write down write down the emotions, but don't, as ICT said as well, don't punish yourself when you write it down. Don't write that, oh, I was stupid, I was an idiot. Don't write these down. Just write down, and like I wrote it down, that I was impatient by taking this and this trade, but then I waited for my second setup, and my second setup also went against me. But the good thing is that despite the fact that I was impatient, I used my entry model, so it was a great experience for me. And then I was strong enough to withhold myself from continuing to trade, and it was a great experience for me to wait more for the market to shift in my favor. And that's how I write it in my journal. And I also write down that I experienced this and that I felt fear, and I felt impatience, and I felt this and that, and next time I'm not going to look for this and that in the first 5 minutes. You should talk to yourself. Yeah. You should talk to yourself in your journal. It's like a diary or something. So for now, this 5-minute FVG, what you can see right now, is still holding. There is a 1-minute order block right there. That small white one. We have a 5/15-minute FVG, which is my target in terms of liquidity. For now, this whole thing is all right, but I don't like all these wicks. The only line of defense is this fair value gap on the 5-minute. And we're only less than 10 points away from this liquidity. I don't know why market doesn't really want to take it. Tom, I talk to myself always like this. Very good, Dominic. And one more add-on. Where did I put it? I know I put it here. Always I praise God, and I have the Bible right here, guys. It's the Bible right here. It's next to my desk. Just telling you guys. I know it can be a little bit sentimental for some of you guys, but I think you have to be grateful to God to succeed, not just in this business, but in everything. So sometimes I forget. And then I keep reminding myself to always Be grateful. Now, if someone knows the phone number of the ghost in the machine, and call Michael up, that this formation is it's textbook formation, but it's just not working out right now. Lucerito, yo, hey there, thank you very much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's welcome the new people with an applause. It is the booster. All right, I think Michael is watching because he did something to price. There you go. How interesting. And by the way, it's fascinating how price reacts to some of these fair value gaps. If this is not going to hold, let's go down to the 1 minute and check this out again. Look at that. Look at that. The 1 minute order block right here. Right here. This up close candle and this candle. Look at how the body of the candle rejected price here. I don't know. It can still stop us out, but this is the 1 minute, and the order block rejected this candle, throw it back down into the 5 minute fair value gap. You're a teacher. Great, 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 great. 3 minute? Let's check the 3 minute, all right? Oh my god, the 3 minute looks like spaghetti. Oh no. The 3 minute looks, wow. Also an order block there. Yeah. Oh my god. The 3 minute chart, look at the 3 minute. It looks like the multiverse, or I don't know. It looks like Marvel multiverse or DC multiverse or whatever. Absolutely. It's crazy what's happening right now. Hello, Teacher FX. Come on, man. Wrong sound. Hello, Teacher FX. Oh my god. Totally forgot. I think once you were with this. This is your wife's account or something. I don't know. And now on 3 minute, due to trend line from up, it's a downtrend. Trading 2 minute. One is too much noise. Yeah. Multiverse of 3 minute madness. I like that. Multiverse of 3 minute madness. It's gonna take us out now. Now, if it takes us out, I'm gonna be a little bit confused of what could be the target of price. Then we have to look for. So it repriced this 15 minute gap, maybe, and then wants to go higher. It could be, you know. I don't know. I think I'm confused. Lots of noise here. I just don't know why it's not grabbing that liquidity down there. It was so close. We were less than 10 points away from that, and it still wants to go up. Of course, it repriced this 15-minute gap here, but it still looks like it wants to go high now. If I look at the 5 minute, we don't have an up close candle yet, so we were still trading. If this candle would close outside this fair value gap, then that would lower our probabilities much lower. Oh, there you go. Almost taken out. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's getting intense, right? High of Monday. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I was looking for in the first place. Okay, we're out. There we go. We are out from this trade. So now, how much we're down? I'm down $400 on this challenge account. I'm still up $400, but today I'm down $400. And now it might be going back up there. I don't know if I want to jump in again, guys. Honestly, I don't know. I just think that London session is going to be this crazy. Intermediate order block on the 3-minute. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Look at that. The only thing which explains this scenario is that it actually did reprice a 15-minute fair value gap. So technically speaking, the 1 minute is valid. If there would be a entry on the 1 minute or the 30-second chart, let me go with this. On the right side is a 30-second chart. Let me change. There you go. Okay, I just bought it. And my entry is based on the 30-second chart right there. And I'm done. This is over trading now, guys. Don't like it, don't like it. Oh no. What did it take? Is it just me or... This is the only trade I give to this one, because I don't want to go down to below 150. I like to keep that. So I'm just going to put a stop loss right there. Actually, I'm going to put it below if it wants to reprice that. I'm going to give it that. And I want to keep this account above 150. And I thought that we are going to do a run on liquidity up there. It was spiking up so nicely. Was looking good. Was really looking good. Okay. No worries. Pound is... Wow, look at pound. Almost like a Judas swing. No, this one's gonna go lower. It has already run that liquidity? You mean the higher one? Oh no. There is this one small gap here. Okay, I think I should stop here. I think I should close the trade. It's clear for me right now that I don't feel it, so I'm just gonna close it with a small loss. Yeah, I'm closing it. Alright. Closing the trade. The account is still up $200. And that's it for me. No more trades on the London session. Guys, I don't know. I don't feel it. Maybe I'm going to skip the New York session today. I don't know. Maybe I will. Yeah. So I might just going to skip the New York session. I might go out and do some free time or whatever, because you know this London session is just wow, spaghetti. Look at that. I'm just forcing the trade here. I'm not doing anything basically. I'm just forcing it. Small loss is a win. Look at that. Now it's gonna go for the 52. Anyway, guys, I'm not forcing it more. Seems like this week for me at this point is not the one I was expecting. Maybe I should skip New York with this mindset. It's not lucky to go into New York session. Yeah. Anyway, guys, don't worry. I used to be better than this. So thanks for the support. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll be here tomorrow morning as well. I think that's it for me on the London session. Guys, have a great day. Check out my blog, tomsabobiz, or my Discord membership. Every link is down below. Check it out. And, you know, if you're rich, give me some money. That's all. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Love you all. Thank you very much for all the support. And have a great, great day. And I'm just going to sit on my hand. I'm just going to watch movies or something anyway. Have a great day. Dominic, thank you. Sarvesh, Aaron, KRK, Hello Teacher FX, and everyone else. Zero to Hero. Who else did I miss? You know, love you all. Have a great day. And see, I have to go. I can't stand this. I have some stuff to do anyways. See you guys tomorrow. And have an awesome day. Love you all. Follow me on Twitter. Check my blog. Send me money. All right. Cheers, guys.